According to the Epilepsy Foundation, there are more people living with epilepsy than with autism spectrum disorders, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis and cerebral palsy combined. EnlitenAI launched their Neuroliten cloud platform to address unmet needs in seizure management.
Hi, my name is Sunny. I'm a 24-year-old male and was diagnosed with epilepsy when I was 5 years old. I have a history of unpredictable seizures, despite being on multiple anti-seizure medications. I'm using Neuroliten as advised by my neurologist so I can maintain my seizure diaries and share episode details with my doctors. I also use an Apple smartwatch and EEG headset that feed vitals and brain signals to the Neuroliten app. Neuroliten has built-in integration for several wearable devices that are already paired with the app. Vital information from my Apple Watch and EEG headset are captured through my smartphone and sent to the Neuroliten cloud. When I get a seizure, my mom, who is also my caregiver, records details of the seizure using Neuroliten. She can immediately capture a video of the seizure and provide details like the duration, the intensity, type of convulsions, any possible triggers, and any other observations that might be relevant for the neurologist. As I scroll through the calendar on the app, I can see seizure details from any particular day. I can view the detailed logs and the audio-video of the event captured by my mom. I have the ability to share the details of any specific event with my neurologist. My neurologist can review trends associated with my weekly seizure profile. By hovering over the graph, my neurologist can see trends associated with my reports, such as seizure severities, any new seizure types, and changes in my vitals that are out of range. The Neuroliten dashboard can prompt my neurologist to initiate drug titration. My neurologist can view my seizure and medication history. For specific events that I have shared, my neurologist can view all the details of the seizure and analyze the EEG abnormalities and vitals captured in the app. Getting the right data at the right time helps my neurologist come up with my treatment plan faster than having me report things at a scheduled appointment.
Neuroliten is built to be a cloud-based healthcare delivery platform that ingests context-rich data from multiple sources. Its AI engine builds actionable insights to improve health outcomes and opens up immense opportunities for data monetization. Join EnlitenAI in its exciting journey ahead and contact us to explore the opportunities.